Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Hello. So I have this boyfriend for more than a year na. We're almost living together na for almost 8 months. Okay naman siya at first, kaso may times na ang galing niya mang manipulate. Like ako na yung nasaktan, ako pa rin ang magsasorry. Then last November, nung nasa kanila kami, while he was playing billiards, may gut feeling ako, ilang araw na, to check his phone. Ewan ko ba, pero parang may nagpo-push sa akin na buksan ng messenger niya. I was holding his phone when I saw something na sinend niya sa sarili niya. It was an old video of him and his ex-girlfriend having you know. Nanginig ako nun. I do not know what to feel. Sobra akong nanghina at nanlumo. It was their old video and I don't know what was going on. Parang niretrieve niya yun for his own use. I was hurt and the only explanation I got was he only wants to see himself. Ang sakit, I do not know what to do. It was months ago and it still haunts me. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. We are still together, hindi ko siya maiwan.